Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Depending on your route and winds, the time can vary dramatically. For example, Great Circle San Francisco to Tokyo is 5,124 nanometers, which would be 9.2 hours no wind at 560 ground speed. With a jet stream tailwind of 200 knots, from Tokyo to San Francisco could take as little as 6.7 hours.
Take our lead.
It is a mixture of human biowaste and liquid disinfectant that freezes at high altitude. Airlines are not allowed to dump their waste tanks in mid-flight, and pilots have no mechanism by which to do so. However, leaks sometimes do occur.
Let's help you make your mark.
Singapore Airlines. The longest non-stop flight in the world is Singapore Airlines service between Singapore, SIN, and New York, JFK, which is an approximately 18-hour flight that covers a distance of 9,537 miles. This flight is so long that it has to be operated by a specially configured A350-900 ULR with extra fuel capacity.
Let's help you make your mark.
Technically, many modern airplanes can overfly the Himalayas. But it is a vast area, over 2,300 kilometers in length with an average elevation of over 6,000 meters. The tallest peak is Everest, at 8,848 meters, meaning commercial airlines can't fly below FL 310 in the vicinity.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.